Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we'll show you how to set member profile privacy when users sign up. So follow along and we'll show you how. So open the Wix editor and then go to Pages and menu on the left. Go to your sign up and login pages and select Member Sign Up Form. Here, make sure that default form is selected. Then go to the Social and Community tab right over here. Below, under the Sign Up Privacy Footnote Customization, you'll have two options. The first one is footnote only, which means members sign up with a public profile. And the second option, checkbox for members, to choose profile privacy, where members can decide to either allow or not allow their profile to be public. Once you've adjusted your preferences, you can then save your changes and publish it to publish the changes to your live site. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.